one powerful technique to set goals using coaching and NLP. Today, I'm sharing one powerful technique to set goals using principles of coaching and neuro-linguistic programming, or NLP, that can take your goal setting to the next level. Step 1. Define your goal using the SMART framework. First, let's start with clarity. In coaching and NLP, we emphasize creating a clear and specific goal. One way to do this is by using the SMART framework. Your goal should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to get healthier," you can say, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising 4 times a week and eating balanced meals." This makes your goal clear and actionable. Step 2. Visualize your desired outcome now. Here's where NLP comes in. Close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself achieving this goal. Picture the details. Where are you? How do you feel? What do you see, hear, and experience in that moment of success? This technique, called visualization, helps engage your subconscious mind, aligning it with your goal and making it feel real and achievable. Step 3. Reframe potential obstacles. Sometimes, obstacles feel overwhelming, but NLP teaches us to reframe them. Instead of thinking, "I don't have the time," ask yourself, "How can I create time for this goal?" Reframing challenges into opportunities empowers you to take control and stay motivated. Step 4. Anchor positive emotions. Here's a simple yet effective NLP trick. Anchoring. Think about a time when you felt confident and motivated. As you relive that moment, press your thumb and index finger together. This creates a physical anchor for positive emotions, which you can trigger whenever you need a boost to stay on track. Step 5. Take action with the first step. Finally, turn your goal into small, actionable steps. What's one thing you can do today to move closer to your goal? Whether it's scheduling your workouts, prepping a meal plan, or setting reminders, taking action builds momentum. Goal setting isn't just about writing down dreams, it's about creating a roadmap and taking action. With coaching techniques and NLP tools like visualization, reframing, and anchoring, you can set goals that inspire you and stick with you. So, what's one goal you'll start working on today? Remember, every great achievement begins with one small step.